Hi guys, my name is Reggie. This is my colleague Ali. I'm the Chief Technician Master Detailer from Mafra, and in this video we're going to show you all about Charme, the leather and reconditioning kit by Mafra, made in Italy. Italians are specialized in leather care and interiors of cars. So this product contains everything you need to get the leather back into that perfect condition as it was from day one. The kit contains a mitt with two sides. The white side is for extra scrubbing, and the orange side is for delicate scrubbing, so like the seat cover. We have a detergent all in one, so the detergent is ready to use, no dilutions necessary. We have a wet, damp leather towel to remove any residue from the detergent. Then we have, if the leather is damaged and needs more nutrients, we have the Leather Care Charme Cream and a sponge to apply it with. And final, for maintenance and for leather that is not in bad condition, the hydrating moisturizing milk. Now how we're going to use these products, I'm going to show you in a minute. So we start with applying the detergent onto the surface. It creates a nice and thick foam, and you can use the white side if you want to use for strong cleaning, and you can use the orange side for delicate cleaning like the seats. Especially the seats like delicate cleaning. And you can see it makes a very nice foam. The foam is necessary to get into the cells of the leather itself. The wipe off we do with the wet leather towel that's in the kit to remove any detergent onto the surface. Moving on to step 2, the nutrient. Gives the leather back its nourishment that it needs to feel natural, soft, but stays matte. Very important. Only a little amount of this product is necessary, so do not over apply. Better to work twice. You can see you did this before. The final step, step number 3, the hydrating milk moisturizer. After you apply the nutrients, you can also apply the milk moisturizer and keep this as a maintenance for your leather. So when the leather has a little spot, you can use the milk moisturizer to take off the spot and rejuvenate the leather. And if necessary, you can always complete the complete process from front to back. There's a couple of puffs. All 3 products are dedicated for leather care. So they're easy to use, safe for the treated surface, and take away any risks whatsoever. Now when we started this video, the leather was not in a bad condition. As you can see here, with the 50-50 we made by removing the tape, that we have a considerable before and after. So even the surface may look clean, the truth will reveal itself after you use the Charme leather kit. Phenomenal results.